It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with a second video for today. Listen, I already uploaded a video today. My first video today was talking about the release of the Jordan 11 Low Women's Concord, the purple colorway. My pickup for my sister. I did that this morning. Then, so I was done doing all that. Now it's later in the day, and UPS pulls up at the house. I'm like, I'm trying to think, what did I order? And I see him hopping off the truck with the Nike tape on the box. I'm like, I'm excited, but I still can't remember what sneakers I ordered. That's a problem. But I can't remember what sneakers I ordered, so I'm excited nonetheless. So before I even looked at the label, I just seen Bobby. I opened the box, quickly realizing that there's no sneakers in this box, and then it comes to my recollection what this is. So I peeked inside this box already, so I know what this is already, but I'm still going to unbox it on the channel. Before we get into what's in this box, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the move. Subscribe to the channel. And I thought that even though I opened this box already, it's worthy of a video, not just some IG post saying thank you or anything like that. I feel like it deserves more than that. So that's why I'm here. And I also want you guys to be able to, because everybody that I don't have a lot of IG followers, so I figured why not bring some of my subscribers or supporters over to my guy's channel, go support his movement as well. So that's why, another reason that I'm in front of you guys today. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I have a little bit of story time. Some crazy stuff happened going along with this package that I have to tell you guys, because I don't understand people, man. I get it, but I don't get it, and I'll explain in a second. So since I already opened the box a little bit, I want to give a special shout out to my homie Justin Kicks. Now that's his name on YouTube, and I'll put the link to his channel down in the description below. I'll put the link to his IG in the description down below as well. Congratulations on joining the 1,000 supporter mark, landmark on this YouTube platform. Congratulations. I just noticed today that you're at 2,600 followers on IG as well. Celebrate every milestone. Celebrate every single milestone. I know I do. But that's who this package is from. So I'm a big follower of his channel. Regardless if some people look forward to, or like that's the only thing they look forward to on people's pages, giveaways and different things like that. I just enter giveaways. If it's an opportunity to win something, I want to throw my hat in the ring. No pun intended. But so if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. Really doesn't matter to me one way or the other. But it's great to win. It's hot in here. God damn. And I won. I won a gift card on this channel. But a gift card isn't gonna come in a box this big. You could just send that in an envelope, right? So my man Justin went out of his way. He also has merch. Now obviously, it's dope that he's giving me this stuff. I have no idea what's all in this box. There's a lot of things in this box. This is what I won. It actually says Nike gift card on it, I believe. Yeah. So I won a $120 Nike gift card, which is a lot of money in my opinion, to give away. So this is a blessing in itself. Not only did he bless me with that, he blessed me with his merch that I'm going to wear in my next video, Justin. I promise you, whatever, I don't know what my next video is going to be, but one of these shirts will be on body. But a little bit of backstory on that gift card. After he announced the winner, I missed the video. I was on vacation. I missed the initial, drop of the video. Somebody reached out to him, created a whole IG page. I'll try to post pictures up if I can of the page that they made with my header and everything. Inbox DM'd him, claiming to be me. Went through they had a whole conversation. Thankfully, common sense prevailed. Justin was like, the guy was telling him like, yo, I want to use it right now. I'm thankful. Congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. Hey, I'm glad I won. Whatever. You'll see. You'll be able to read it yourself. But what he was asking is for Justin to take a picture of the gift card so he can use it right now online, because I need to buy my brother something, whatever it was. I'm paraphrasing. But obviously Justin was like, no, I already put it in the envelope. I'll get it out to you quick. He was smart enough to know, like, this don't sound right. There's something fishy about this. Then I just happened to reach out to him like, oh man, I can't believe I won, blah, blah, blah. And he was like, then he told me the story. Craziness. I just had to get that story out there. People are crazy out here in these streets. Now, wow, this is fire. I might have to come to you to get my merch done. Now, he included in here this very, very nice Justin Kicks snapback. Very, very nice. All red. Justin Kicks logo. You know what I'm saying? Got the classic, the tag on there. Hopefully that'll focus for you guys. The green bill underneath. Very, very dope. Let me throw that on. Let me see that. I'm saying, throw that on my sweaty head right now. You know what I'm saying? Get rid of that. Also threw in, I knew he was going to throw something else in because he asked me what my size was. Got the white Justin Kicks t-shirt right there on decky with the flu games part of his logo. Got the red Justin Kicks t-shirt, flu games, crazy, and a crew neck. The heather gray, dark gray Justin Kicks with the flu games, with the hat to match. You know what I'm saying? Get ready to box. Now, like I said, I wanted to make this video, man. I just wanted to give a special shout out and a thank you to him. That's crazy how they tried to play me. Somebody tried to play me on my gift card, man. It's still time for me to do my giveaway on my channel. I'm way overdue. I had to get settled into my new house. And I'm finally starting to feel like home. So I'm going to do my giveaway as well, and I'll announce that down the road. But this video is just dedicated. I'm thankful for this stuff. I'm thankful. But I also want you guys to go over to his channel, subscribe. That's the way you show love. If you like my content, go over and subscribe to Justin's channel as well. Like I said, all the links will be down below. Congratulations, bro, on 1,000 subscribers. Congratulations on 2,600 followers on IG. Keep grinding, man. Keep spreading love. That's what we doing out here, man. OV!